Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. And if you are a returning member of my society, thank you for stopping by. So by the title of today's video, I want to do an unboxing of two foundations that I got from IL MAKIAGE. If you are unfamiliar with the brand, so am I. Or so I was. It's been like a huge new makeup brand that has come out that kind of tests your foundation skin tone based off a test you take online. Sounds really cool. Let's put them to the test. I took the test online and I ordered one foundation. Then I wanted to get footage of me taking the test to add to this video, so I tried to take the test again, and then I ended up getting other foundation colors. So that just made me think, let me see if the test in general is accurate, because I took the test so many times to figure out what foundation I was and put in the same things but got different foundations. So let's test them out today and see if IL MAKIAGE is the truth. Before we get started, like the video, comment on the video, subscribe to the channel, do all those things. Let's go. So guys, this is the packaging. I have yet to open. Thumbnail. So I have yet to open the boxes that I got, so let's open them right now. And it has a little how it works on the inside of the box, and then the packaging is right here, and it comes with a little card inside that says, "We get foundation wrong. They're going to teach us how to do it right." Apply 2 pumps to your entire face, jaw, and neckline. Blend out with a brush or sponge, not by hand. Wait 5 minutes for your foundation to set before checking the shade. Finish your face with concealer, blush, and bronzer. Wear for a full week to determine if it's perfect for you. We don't have a full week to decide if it's perfect for me. We've already purchased and we've passed the return mark, so we're definitely going to have to keep this, but it's okay. I've opened them both. These are the packagings. The 2 colors that I got were both Woke Up Like This, but one is 160 and one is 180. They may not be far off, but we're gonna try it and see. These boxes are so cute. How can I repurpose them? So I'm gonna first open 180, because this was actually the first one. Or was it 160? Nah, 180. This was actually the first one I had ordered. So this is the bottle. This is 180 and this one is 160. Off rip, I can probably already tell one is definitely more of a summer color, which was this one when I get a little tanner, and this one seems to be a little bit lighter shade, kind of like maybe for now, kind of winter-ish. So they're very different in shade in the bottle. So I'm glad to know that I ordered 2 different shades of brown. So let's just try them both and see which works. I'm gonna do 180 on this side of my face, and I'm gonna do 160 on this side of my face and see which one works better. I already have a sponge. It's a little damp, so I'm just gonna do what they said and do 2 pumps on my hand. 1, 2. Foundation, super creamy. It matches my hand really well. And start to put it on my face. It feels good. It smells good. I can't tell if that's me. Or the foundation. Or the sponge. I think it's the sponge. It's regular. It's like a regular color. It does actually match me right now, which is crazy. It matches me. Oh my god. It really does. I just never can find my correct color, especially when I go into stores and they kind of match me. I feel like that's a bias because, like, number 1, the lighting is always crazy harsh in these makeup stores, and number 2, how you see me is just not how I see me. So like, you could think it matches really well and I'm over here like, you made me look really pale, or you made me look really like red. So this is it so far. It's light coverage. It doesn't feel like heavy coverage, but it's definitely buildable because it totally covered some of the marks on my face. So this was 180. Very clear coverage. Lovely. Let's try 160. I mean, so far I'm very impressed. Even if I just had to stick with that one and I wasn't trying both, I think IL MAKIAGE got a nice little product on their hand. All right, so this one's for sure lighter. This one actually matches my hand. I'm going to use the other side of my sponge and put it on this side. No way. This one matches better? I can't. Oh no, guys. I can't tell. Oh no. Two great foundations? How could this be? Per usual, I just want to apologize for the breakouts. You know me with the skin. Always picking. That. Now that. They both are though, but that. So I see when I get to the forehead part, I can tell a little bit chalky. So I think this one definitely has the yellow undertone. Can you guys even tell the difference? Kinda actually. You see this one's a little darker. This one's a little lighter, chalkier. I don't know. This one for sure I look tanner. This one I just look a little just lighter brown. Interesting, interesting. I think I'm gonna squeeze just like a pump more, just to see the buildability. The buildability. Yep, I said it. I don't care. I made it up. Maybe it's a real word. Give me credit, Webster. This is very interesting, guys. I've never had this problem before where both foundations look like they're good for me. I've never had this issue. What a first world problem to have. I'm so grateful for the life we live here. All right, guys, so I think I'm done. Closer look looking at you in the camera. So remember, this side was 180 and this side was 160. Guys, I don't know. I'm sorry to even compare because they're both great. I think it's just letting me know that the test was pretty accurate regardless. They got it right, guys. They got it right. They got it right. I'm not mad. I'm not picky. Let me do my eyebrows. Let me just see if it makes a difference in deciding, but I highly doubt it. Things that I look for in a good foundation are just like coverage, because I really just like my skin to look flawless. I like it to look light. I don't like my skin kind of looking cakey. And it feels really light. Doesn't feel like anything's on my face, and that's always good. I like coverage. I like full coverage. I just like my face looking matte-ish, and then I can make it dewy. My thoughts. Side 180. Definitely tanner. Definitely more of a red undertone. More like the summer, when summertime comes for tanning, but it's not too far off if I chose to use it anytime soon. It's not super far off. This side, definitely more of a natural skin color of mine, which I'm very... What the fuck is on my neck? It said to leave on for 5 minutes, but I feel like it's definitely been 5 minutes. And I'm looking at it and they both look amazing, so I don't even know if I can compare. I can't compare. I like them both. I like them both. If I did have to pick one, I probably would pick the 180 because I do kind of like the little bit of like the tanner look. A little bit more like sun-kissed, glowy, that kind of look. Either way, she's staying in the makeup kit. They're both good. I can't even compare, guys. I'm so sorry. I think this just is a testament to Il Makiage's honesty with matching your skin color to their foundation. And even though the numbers aren't even super far apart, maybe that should have also been a dead giveaway, that they're probably not going to be super different. But I can tell the difference, but I'm totally loving that I could go with either or. And I'm cool with it. So thank you so much, Il Makiage. Honestly, I'm definitely gonna continue to try this brand. Also, again, I'm not a makeup artist. I'm not into makeup. I'm just a girl who's out here doing girl stuff, and this is one thing that I would say all girls should try. If you can try to get yourself an Il Makiage foundation, try it. I'm very, very impressed with Il Makiage. So perfect, that's that. Well, guys, that's my video. Real short, real sweet, real cute, real fast. Just wanted to show you guys that. If you notice a difference, comment below. If you've tried Il Makiage, let me know what you think about it, how you like the brand. I'm excited for it. And yeah, guys, I think that's it. I think that's it. Now I'm actually gonna, go do a face, which should be pretty fun to do. And I'll let you know how it goes. So I'm gonna continue using Il Makiage. I'm gonna see how it holds up. I'm excited to try. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you. If you haven't heard it today, I do. And I hope to see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.